how to change your name on Threads. So in order to do this, you can actually change this on the actual Threads app. You will see if I come across to Threads and to my profile and then press on to edit profile, we've got some information. But if I go ahead and try to change my name, you're going to get a message at the bottom basically saying that your name and username are synced with Instagram, so you can only change it through Instagram. To do this, what you're going to want to do is, of course, open Instagram on your device, and you want to come across to your profile by clicking your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Next, from here, go ahead and click on to edit profile, and what you can do is actually change your name on here. So you can see it's currently set. What I'm going to do is change the name. Once that's done, so that's now updated on Instagram. So if we actually open up Threads, you will see that this should reflect on Threads as well. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.